In this video, I'll show you how to easily put together a fall centerpiece using a variety of fall florals. So this is the first type of floral that we're going to use. And I'm planning on keeping this arrangement pretty simple and only using 3 different types of artificial floral. So first, I'm just going to tuck in a few stems of these burgundy colored flowers. Now I'm not too concerned with how they're resting at the moment because I will be adding other florals in and then I'll kind of shuffle them around a little bit later. So next I'm going to add some of these orange mums. So when I'm putting these arrangements together, I want it to be well balanced in the final look, but I don't necessarily need it to be kind of every other of the flower colors. So I'm just going to simply tuck these in various spots. And again, later on, if there's something that you feel needs to change in the arrangement, you can always add, remove, or even just shuffle the flowers around just a little bit. So to give it a very fall look, the next thing I'm going to add are some of these fall leaf stems. So I'm just going to start by tucking a few of those in here and there. I do like bending some of these stems just to give a little bit of an overflowing look to the arrangement as well. So for instance, I'm going to tuck this one in on this side if I can get it in here. And then just kind of bend it so that the leaves kind of crawl down the side of the vase just a little bit. I'm going to tuck in another one of these red flowers on this side because it feels like it needs just a little bit more. And there you have a very simple yet elegant fall floral centerpiece.